Hi, I'm James Berger, Variable Operations Director for Marhofer Auto Family. We're a 100-year-old family business that focuses on a world-class experience for our guests and for our employees. About a year ago, we had the intention of growing our business in a big way, and we looked for a partner that would work with us and understand our culture. We found that partner in AutoStaff. Not only were we able to recruit more than 30 sales team members who we found are wonderful team members in growing our culture, but we expanded on that by adding on a training component which, like I said, seamlessly integrated into what we were doing. We wanted to make sure that not only did the new team members feel comfortable with our team, but our current team felt comfortable with them. And we found that the Road to the Sale training that Tony provided for us was excellent, not only in giving them the experience and knowledge that they needed to grow, but most importantly the confidence, as Tony would say, the words. We found that the relationship we had has been wonderful. The work that the team puts in at AutoStaff is phenomenal. They're always there to help and reach out. Tony Pate, once again, he's on the ball, make sure that everything is working perfectly, and we just couldn't be more happy. So anybody that's looking for solid recruiting and training to build the team that you want to win with, this is the way to go.